explore them joyfully. T-A-A is for apple, juicy and red, rolling down the hill straight ahead. B is for bear, cuddly and sweet, dancing around with happy feet. C is for cat, soft and bright, purring and playing in morning light. D is for dog, wagging with cheer, running in circles when friends are near. E is for elephant, big and strong, spraying cool water all day long.
G, F is for frog, jumping so high, leaping past a butterfly. G is for giraffe, reaching the trees, munching on leaves in the summer breeze. H is for house, cozy and bright, glowing warmly in the night. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold, melts so fast, better grab a hold. J is for jump, up and down, like a kangaroo bouncing around. K is for kite, soaring up high, dancing so free in the bright blue sky. L is for lion, fierce but kind, roaring aloud with strength in mind. M is for monkey, swinging with glee, hanging on branches from tree to tree. N is for nest, where birds rest tight, cuddling their babies all through the night. O is for owl, wise and cool, watching the forest, keeping the rule.
B is for penguin, sliding with grace, skating on ice in a wintry place.
Q is for queen, wearing her crown,
Smiling so bright in her golden gown.
R is for rabbit, hopping away, leaping so fast it loves to play. S is for snake, slithering slow, twisting and turning wherever it goes. T is for turtle, wise and old, walking along so calm and bold.
Keeping us dry while raindrops dance from the cloudy sky. V is for island, playing so sweet, filling the air with a musical beat. W is for whale, splashing so free, diving deep into the sea. X is for zenfone, ringing so clear, making music we all can hear. Y is for yak, fluffy and tall, standing so strong, never to fall. D is for zebra, black and white, galloping fast with all its might.